Hi, Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are learning how to add an adorable little kawaii mouth to a crocheted stuffy. This is actually a very easy technique. You only need a little bit of black embroidery floss. We are using all of the strands together and a sewing needle that has a little bit of a bigger eye. You want it big enough to where you can actually fit your embroidery floss through there easily without straining too much. Now when you're making these little mouths, you're going to insert into one stitch and come out a couple of stitches over. For this one, I've made it 2 stitches wide. Then you are going to insert your sewing needle into the same spot that you first went into and come out down below. Let's do this in practice together. Okay, you can see that my son here is ready for his new little smile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the centermost piece in between his eyes, and that is going to be the center of my smile. For this project, I want to have a smile that is 2 stitches wide at the top, so I'm going to go in about here, and then 1, 2 over, come out over here, and then the bottom of his smile is going to be down here. It's always going to look like a V. So I'm going to insert here, come out right here. So this is going to be the top of my smile. I'm going to go ahead and pull this through. Leave a little bit of a tail here so that you can stick this in through the back side of your piece when you're finished. Now here's the most important part of the entire smile. Yes, we are almost done already. What you're going to do is you're going to insert your needle in the same space where you put the first time, right? And you're going to come down diagonally through just like this. Now this is going to be the bottom part of your smile. So push your needle through. The most important thing here is that this thread is underneath the needle at this point. You can already see his little smile starting to form. Go ahead and push that through. Make sure that this thread is underneath the needle. Go ahead and pull. Keep that one out of the way. Pull this down. Boom. There's his little face. Isn't that adorable? So now I can go down around the thread that I just put here, and I can put a little knot and then feed it straight on back entirely through his whole head. Pull this back. And there he is with his adorable little mouth. Let's pull this out. And you can clip this yarn, and then no one will ever know that it was ever there when you do this. Look at that, beautiful. And then you use your yarn needle and just weave this back in, back to the back as well. So I'll go ahead and feed in the beginning tail as well and pull that through. Boom. That is all there is to adding these adorable little mouths. Isn't that adorable? I hope you like this method and that you'll use it often. And if you do, make sure you send me a picture because I want to see what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to crocheting more with you soon.